G'day, I'm Scott Van Streen. This is my barra powered VL Calais. A lot of people don't like it, but yeah, we saw the potential. Me and Graham Harrison at Turbo Works, he built his first, and then so I started piecing mine together. Well, I started off with a stock motor, which it didn't like 30 pound, and it blew yeah, it blew number 6 down the front straight of Power Cruise here. Got onto Atomic down in Sydney, and yeah, basically got most of their catalogue in there. Ran a best of 945 at 145 miles an hour on a 26 by 8.5. So then I found this shell for sale. So it had everything I needed. It had 9-inch, it was tubbed, had the cage. So yeah, I put my drivetrain in, which is a built 2-speed with built planetaries, all the business, TCE converter, and yeah, the same motor. And it used to have a GTX 42 on it, and yeah, that worked pretty well. But yeah, I wanted to, I've got the best of 8.9 at 153 miles an hour with that setup. I found a GT 4718 for sale on Facebook, and yeah, made it work, and yeah, she makes 900 now. It was making 720 when I ran the 8.9, and yeah, it's got 900 now, and I'm hoping to get it all teched up and get to winning that this year, hopefully.